Hello again. So now we're gonna do the verb être and the places, les lieux. So we're gonna see how we use alla for feminine places, and then we're gonna see how we use o for masculine places. So for feminine places, so we say alla. Alors, je suis à la bibliothèque. I'm at the library. Je suis à la bibliothèque. Ok, très bien. Tu es à la plage. You are at the beach. Tu es à la plage. Très bien. Elle est à la pharmacie. She is at the pharmacy. Elle est à la pharmacie. Très bien. Nous sommes à la boulangerie. We are at the bakery. Nous sommes à la boulangerie. Ok, très bien. Encore une fois, nous sommes à la boulangerie. Très bien. And so we remember we've learned that nous is a little bit too formal for everyday conversation. So how would you say it if you said it with on? You would say on est à la boulangerie. On est à la boulangerie. Okay, let's have a look at this next one. Vous êtes à la piscine. Très bien. So, vous êtes, you remember, vous is either you guys, or it's vous if you're speaking in a formal way to someone. Vous êtes à la boulangerie. Pardon. Vous êtes à la piscine. Vous êtes à la piscine. You are at the swimming pool. Your turn. Très bien. Alors, ils sont à la poste. They are at the post office. Ils sont à la poste. Ok, très bien. So, for example, now, how would you say, I am at the beach? You would say, je suis, I am, at the beach, à la plage. Okay. How would you say, we are at the swimming pool? You would say, nous sommes à la piscine. But that's a little bit too formal, so we would say, on est à la piscine. On est à la piscine. Ok, très bien. So, the takeaway from this is that feminine words, we say à la. Okay, so now there's a little trick to recognize if a word is masculine or feminine. So basically, if it has an E on the end, it's feminine 8 times or 9 times out of 10. I mean, there's lots of exceptions, but rather than learn every word and learn all of them and know exactly which one's masculine or feminine, really, if you slowly learn the exceptions, but accept, just be happy to be right 8 times out of 10. If it has an E on the end, it's feminine. Okay, so now masculine places. So masculine places, you say au. So I am at the cinema, you would say je suis au cinéma. Très bien, je suis au cinéma. Ok, super. Alors, you are at the office. Tu es au bureau. Tu es au bureau. Ok. Alors, he is at the restaurant. Il est au restaurant. Très bien. Il est au restaurant. Okay, so now how would you say I am at the restaurant? You would say je suis au restaurant. Ok, très bien. Let's have a look at this fourth one. She is at the museum. Elle est au musée. Elle est au musée. Ok, très bien. Maintenant, nous sommes au marché. We are at the market. Nous sommes au marché. Ok, super. Alors, you are at the supermarket. Vous êtes au supermarché. Vous êtes au supermarché. Ok, super. So now they are at the stadium. Ils sont au stade. Super. Ils sont au stade. So now how would you say we are at the stadium? You would say on est au stade. Okay. So now can you see how I said that every word that finishes with a E, 8 times out of 10, it's feminine? Well, masculine words, 8 times out of 10, they don't have a E on the end, right? But there's always an exception. Like musée, for example, has a E on the end and it's masculine anyway. Okay? But right? But this is different, right? The E with the accent, this is not a E like the feminine E. That's just the E with the accent that sounds like E. And now let's see countries.